Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. Today we're going to take a look at the way that you can create free music using Suno.ai. Now this is a platform that lets you create music using the help of AI. So let me show you the simple process on how it's done. Make sure you first of all sign up to this platform, which is suno.com. Once you've been signed up, quickest way to do it is you just head over to the create section, and the first thing you need to do is add in your song's description, whatever the song you wanted like. So you just need to add in some sort of description. Once this step is complete, you need to head over to the next step, which is the advanced version. So just click on the advanced option on the top, and the second part is going to be to add in some lyrics. So if you already have some lyrics of your song, you can just add it in this section. Once the lyrics now have been added, there are other few things that you can add in as well, such as different audios or any sort of sounds that you already have recorded. If you don't, you can also leave it, or you can also click on the remix option so that you can pick from all of the songs that are currently available on the Suno AI platform. So you just click on the remix option on one of these options if you do like some of these songs, and then you can now click on the create option on the bottom. Now while that creates, make sure you remember that the free version is only limited to 50 credits. So every time you generate a new song, 10 credits will be deducted. So if you do want to create free songs, you only have a 50 credit limit. So within a few seconds, you can see the song now has been created. We can quickly click on this option to play the song.
Left it all. Cold coffee sitting by the bed.
So there you go. I hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.